Hello guys, review Tecno Pova 5, this version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Tringle box we have, and look compactation. Key for SIM slot. On this we have protected back cover, documentary, adapter with quick charge, headphones and Type-C cable in compactation. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic, match a black color. On the front side display 6.78 inch. Power button and volume buttons on the right side. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and microSD card for memory. Upside speaker. Main speaker on the downside, Type-C port and headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings. About device. iOS version 13.0.0, Android 13. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay, good results. We have display Full HD Plus resolution, IPS, 120 Hz, refresh rate, MediaTek Helio G99 this CPU and Mali G57 this GPU, and these results. Close this, run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas load. Works very good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.